Hi, boys and girls. It's number time, and we're going to review the number that you've been learning at preschool this week. So I have it in here. Do you remember what it is, even without looking? What is it? It's got a 2 and then a 1. This is 21. Can you say 21? If it starts with a 2, we'll say 20, and then you just say the number that's after it. 21. 21. Very good. All right, so today I thought it would be fun to sort some numbers, and we're going to sort 19 with a 1 and a 9, 20 with a 2 and a 0, and 21 with the 2 first and then the 1. And let me get the numbers. I just dropped them on the floor. Silly me. All right. So, are you ready? Luckily, they didn't fall all over the floor. They're still in the stack. All right. So, what number is this? Oh my goodness, it's our new number 21. 2 and a 1. Does that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? Where does it go? It does go at the bottom. Very good. All right. What number is this? It's got a 2 and then a 0. That's 20. All right. Does that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? Yell it loud. It does go in the middle. Good job. All right. What number is this? 20 again. All right. So a 2 and a 0 is 20. Does that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? It goes in the middle again, doesn't it? All right. What number is this? It's got a 1 and then a 9. That's 19. Does that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? It does go at the top. All right. What number is this? Oh, it's our new number. That's right. 21. Good job. Does that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? It does go at the bottom. All right. What number is this? It's a 2 first and then a 0. That's our 20. Does that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? It does go in the middle, doesn't it? All right. What number is this? A 1 first and then a 9. There's our 19. Does that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? It goes at the top, doesn't it? Very good. All right. What number is this? A 2 first and then a 1. That's our 21. Does that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? It does go at the bottom. All right. What number is this? 1 first and then the 9. 19. Does that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? Up at the top. Up. Looks like we're full for all the numbers. What number is this? Our 20 again with a 2 and a 0. Does that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? It does go in the middle. I'll put it right there. What number is this? 19 with the 1 and the 9. Does that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? At the top. And I have one more. What number is this? It's our 21, 2 and a 1. Does that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? It does. It goes right here at the bottom. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 19s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 20s, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 21s. Perfect. All right. Now we need to count with our fingers, and this is going to be tricky, but that's okay. All right. So we'll start with 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And to get 11, we have to go 10 and 1. 12 is 10 and 2. 13, 10 and 3. 14, 10 and 4. 15, 10 and 5. That's easy, isn't it? 16, 10 and 6. This is where it gets tricky. 17, 10 and 7. 18, 10 and 8. 19, 10 and 9. And then 20 is 10 and 10. And now to get 21, we have to go 10, 20, 1. Should we do 10 through 21 one more time. Okay, so it's 10, then 11 is 10 and 1, 12 is 10 and 2, 13 is 10 and 3, 14 is 10 and 4, 15 is 10 and 5, 16 is 10 and 6, 17 is 10 and 7, 18 is 10 and 8, 19 is 10 and 9. Gotta get my thumb out, don't I? And then 20 is 10 and 10. And 21 is 10, 21. Very good. You can practice that at home, can't you? All right. And that helps your fingers get stronger. Plus, you learn how to count. Oh, who knew? All right. Now we're going to try to write 21. So we have to write a 2 first. And to write a 2, we start at the top and make a hook and then give it a shoe. That's the way to make a 2. Make a hook, give it a shoe. That's the way to make a 2. Let's do it one more time. Make a hook, give it a shoe. That's the way to make a 2. So, do you want to see what that looks like on the whiteboard? Remember, we start at the top and make a hook. Does that look like a shepherd's staff or a candy cane? Then you give it a shoe, and that's the way to make a 2. Make a hook, give it a shoe. That's the way to make a 2. Make a hook, give it a shoe. That's the way to make a 2. And then we love number 1, don't we? Because that's pretty easy. A 1 is straight line down, then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. Straight line down, then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. Let's do one more 1. Straight line down, then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. Okay, so now we'll put them both together. So make a hook, give it a shoe. That's the way to make a 2. Straight line down, then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. And this is 21. Let's do one more. Make a hook, give it a shoe. That's the way to make a 2. Straight line down, then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. So we have 21 here and 21 here. Amazing. All right. Next, we're going to do our PowerPoint. And we have 19s and 20s and 21s in here. So you're going to yell really loud to let me know what number you see, okay? Sounds like a plan, doesn't it? All right, we're going to start with this number. It's got a 2 first and then a 1. What number is that? I know it's our new number 21. What number is this? 1 first and then a 9? 19, isn't that? Oh my goodness. What number is this? A 2, but then a 0. That's our 20. 20. What about this? 2 first and then a 1. 21. So say 20 for the 2, and then you just say the next number, which is 1. Oh, what number is this? It's got stars all over it. It's a 2 and then a 0. That's 20. What about this? Our 1 and a 9. Is that 19? You're right. What number is this? A 2 and then a 1. 21. What about this? Oh, our Valentine's. It's a 2 and then a 0. What's that? 20. Oh, a 2 and then a 1. Oh, that's our new number 21. Oh, here's, what number is this with the 1 and then a 9? 19. I always laugh because I think it looks like somebody ate part of the 1. Oh, what number is this? 2 and then a 0. That's 20. And oh, isn't this pretty? Made out of flowers. It's a 2 and then a 1. What number is that? 21. Very good. Good job. All right. The last thing we're going to do is review all of the numbers we've studied so far. Let's see if you know them, and you can just shout out if you know it. Okay? All right, this is a 1 and then a 4. 14. That's right. It's one of those teen numbers. What number is this? 7. Good. What number is this? Think about it. It's a 1 and then an 8. It's one of those team numbers. So this is 18. What number is this? 5. Lots of you are 5. What number is this? A 1 and then a 5. It's a team number. 15. Oh, this can be a little tricky. It's a 1 and a 1. We say 11. 11. What number is this? 6. Has anybody turned 6 yet? What number is this? A 1 and then a 7. It's a teen. 17. Good. What number is this? 2. Nice. What number is this? I know it's one of the numbers we talked about today. It's 20, isn't it? What number is this? It's a teen. A 1 and then a 3. 13. What about this? What number is this? 9. Oh, what about this? It's a teen. A 1 and then a 9. We've talked about it today. 19. Ah, what is this? Good, that's a 1. Okay, what number is this? A 1 and then a 0. That's our 10, isn't it? Oh, what number is this? 3. That's right. There are several of you that are still 3. What number is this? 8. Good. Oh, what number is this? A 1 and then a 6. It's a teen. 16, isn't it? What number is this? 4. Some of you are 4, aren't you? What number is this? 1 and then a 2. That's 12. And then, look at this, a 2 and then a 1. That's our 21, isn't it? And that's the number that we were working on this week at preschool. All right, boys and girls, thank you so much for helping me with our numbers today. And I will post a couple of links for the number 21, and you can take a look at some of those songs, okay? All right, bye-bye, boys and girls.